Brandon Motorsports, Capital City Honda, Car Crazy Window Tinting, Tire Dogs, and Auto Glass Professionals, Andy Jackaway. We are underway with tonight's racing action as Cut Rate Auto Parts Stinger 8's get us fired off. Andy Jackaway leading the pack into the right-hander. Dennis Lalander right on Jackaway's heels, and then we go to Brightsman, the points leader Chris Brandon trying to work his way by Dalrymple. A little bit of contact between Brightsman and Lalander. Lalander ended up with two tires down in the dirt. He gets it put back up on the racing service, and now Brightsman and Lalander are side by side through the right-hander with Chris Brandon breathing right down their necks. Jackaway with several car links on Brightsman. Lalander got in a little bit hot. The entry into that right-hander slid up the track, and Chris Brandon goes by. The points leader Chris Brandon has now moved himself up into the third position here in this heat race, and he is chasing down Brightsman. And Brightsman is slowly closing in on Jackaway. We'll be halfway in this heat race once they get back across the line. The field single file now front to back. Brandon looked like he was about to try an outside pass through the right-hander on Brightsman, and he just pulls right back in line. Jackaway took command of this one right at the drop of the green, and he has not looked back as the white flag is out. Final lap on this heat race. And Jackaway now just needs to keep it pointed in the right direction. Brandon making another charge at Brightsman. Last time through the right-hander. Your winner, Andy Jackaway, followed by Sean Brightsman, and then it's Chris Brandon, and Dennis Lalander, and Zach Dalrymple.